Soft, chewy, and incredibly delicious, it's no wonder soft pretzels are one of America's most popular snack foods. Best of all, they are incredibly easy to make using just a few simple ingredients. Combine 1.5 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar in your mixing bowl. Sprinkle a packet of active dry yeast on top and allow that to sit for 5 minutes or until the mixture begins to foam. On the side, whisk 4.5 cups of bread flour and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and add that to your yeast mix along with 2 ounces of melted unsalted butter. Using the dough hook attachment on your stand mixer, mix on low speed to combine, and then change to medium speed and knead until the dough is smooth and pulls away from the side of the bowl, approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Remove the dough and then place it in a bowl coated with vegetable oil. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and sit in a warm place for approximately 1 hour or until the dough has doubled in size. Using a knife, cut the dough into 8 sections. Pre-shape the dough to ensure optimal crumb texture as well as to give it a bit more strength for the final shaping. Then, starting in the middle and working outwards, roll the dough until it's about 24 inches long. To make its signature twisted shape, first make a U shape and then cross the ends over twice and press them into the top of the pretzel. Next, bring 9 cups of water and a half cup of baking soda to a rolling boil. Carefully lower the pretzels into the water using a large slotted spatula or spoon and boil for 20 to 30 seconds each. Place on a parchment-lined pan and brush the top of each pretzel with egg wash and then sprinkle with pretzel salt. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and transfer to a cooling rack for at least 5 minutes before serving.